Yo, what is up guys? This video will be a tutorial on how to replace your 2016 Plus style Audi Key Fob battery. So here we are with the key fob itself. What we'll need is a 2032 battery for this replacement. So how do you do it? You just find those two tabs on the sides of the metal part of the key, slide out the metal key over here just like so. Again, you locate the two tabs again, just press them more firmly. This will take some force over here, just wiggle it out like I do by pressing it all the time. As you can see, it just popped out, and here you will see the battery. So this, I believe I put over here a 2025, as you can see. You can do that if you are in a hurry and you want to replace, you need to replace the battery, but this battery is essentially a little thinner than the 2032 battery, which will of course be a shorter lifetime of the battery itself, and it might create some problems where the battery has no connection inside but the voltage is exactly the same. So here you have a little diagram which shows you how the battery should be placed. So you can see the plus icon on the battery, a plus icon on this little tray. I simply put it like so, find the location for this, press the two tabs so it jumps nice and firmly inside, take your metal key and just put it in. And as you saw, I just pressed the button. You can see that the light over here was blinking, which means that this key fob is indeed working. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you would like to, feel free to subscribe. If you have any questions about this, let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.